This is 7 National News, and in our top story, UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum has endorsed the 2015-21 plan of the Ministry of Education, which stresses on innovation as a key factor for the coming years. The ruler of Dubai directed speeding up the plan's implementation, stressing the importance of developing the educational process in the UAE, widening its concept and bringing it on par with modern scientific ideas, thus leading to innovation in the sector to attain the objectives of the National Agenda indicators as given in the UAE Vision 2021. While launching the strategy, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed stated that the strategy focuses on knowledge integration in science, technology, engineering, mathematics and other fields, all of which contribute towards strengthening the knowledge economy. Additionally, His Highness also underlined the importance of developing national evaluation tests at par with international standards, preparing unified educational standards in order to move towards collaborative education which is based on innovation and best utilization of modern technology. Educators were also urged to pay extra attention to talented students at all schools and stages, stressing that educational plans should keep pace with developments in other sectors and must help build a national knowledge-based economy. Meanwhile, UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, received on Tuesday at the Executive Office Mr. Michael Corbett, the CEO of Citigroup. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed and Citigroup CEO exchanged views on various global financial issues and investment activities in the banking sector. His Highness underscored that Dubai has always welcomed its guests and opened its doors for companies for global investments, businessmen looking for a safe investment and environment and excellent facilities as well as logistics capabilities that ensure the presence of all the elements needed for success, development and stability. The talks took place in the presence of His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Crown Prince of Dubai and Chairman of Dubai Executive Council, and His Highness Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Deputy Ruler of Dubai and Chairman of the Dubai Technology and Media Free Zone Authority. His Highness Sheikh Amr bin Humaid Al Nuaimi, Crown Prince of Ajman and Chairman of Ajman Executive Council, has endorsed the Human Resources Strategic Plan for the Ajman government. The plan aims at enhancing the government's efficiency to achieve the strategic plan of the Emirate of Ajman for 2021 in its pursuit to develop government human resources in the Emirate. His Highness Sheikh Amr said that the real development focuses on development of human resources and upgrading of skills to further promote the government performance and provide high-quality services to the public in line with the Ajman Strategic Plan 2021. On his part, Rashid Abdul Rahman bin Jibran As-Sawaidi, Director of the Central Directorate for Human Resources Department in Ajman, said the department focuses on investing its efforts to fulfill the directives of the leadership to build capable government employees. Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan Foundation for Humanitarian Work has announced the distribution of 50,000 school bags to underprivileged Palestinian children. According to the news agency WAM, around 30,000 school bags were distributed to children in the Gaza Strip, while 20,000 to students in West Bank. The initiative is part of the Foundation's humanitarian aid program to provide assistance to students in the Palestinian territories, considering the current humanitarian crisis being experienced by the Palestinian people. In response, Palestinian families extended their appreciation and gratitude to the UAE and to the Foundation's programs that have been implemented in the Palestinian territories, especially in camps and villages. A United Nations human rights official has commended the UAE's record on combating human trafficking as well as the treatment offered to the victims with shelters and services offered by the country's concerned authorities. According to the national news agency WAM, Ubaid Ahmad Al Ubaid, Director of the United Nations Human Rights Training and Documentation Center for Southwest Asia and the Arab region, said the UAE is leading others by example in the area of combating human trafficking and expressed his hope that other countries in the region would follow in the reliable model that the UAE provides for anti-trafficking efforts, especially in terms of providing relevant legislations and facilities. His comments were made during the opening day of the inaugural workshop in Dubai titled International Cooperation and Victims of Human Trafficking, which was aimed at strengthening efforts to investigate human trafficking cases, bring traffickers to justice, and train law enforcement personnel on identifying and protecting victims. In response, the Director of Dubai Foundation for Women and Children highlighted that in the UAE, human trafficking was cut by 60% in the past year alone. adding that the success was attributed to the keen interest of the country's wise leadership in protecting the rights of the people. Medical tourism as well as developing healthcare system of Dubai, the UAE and the region took centre stage at the first ever health regulation conference organised by the Dubai Health Authority. The DHA Director General, His Excellency Isa Al-Haj Al-Maithur, inaugurated the first health regulation conference today. The two-day conference and exhibition is a new platform that aims to increase medical tourism and address a variety of important topics to improve overall health and medical care in Dubai and the region. Various health authorities from across the country as well as regional and international experts will discuss and share best practices during the two-day event. At present, Dubai has around 2,518 health facilities, more than 70% of hospitals internationally accredited, and more than 25,846 health professionals in the private sector who speak over 40 languages. While Dubai already has many achievements, His Excellency reiterated the need to continuously learn and evolve through these events.
This is, the first conference in the, legislation and, which is very important in the health sector. It is hosted in Dubai as we are living here. Dubai is well known in organizing such events. A lot of experts coming all around from around the world together here to learn and exchange the experience in this field. And we hope that this will provide them with a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and they can exchange ideas, which they will go back and get benefited from this conference.
Among those in attendance at the event include international health authorities and representatives from Canada, the US, Thailand, Taiwan, as well as local authorities from the Ministry of Health, Health Authority of Abu Dhabi and Sharjah Health Authority. DHA's Acting Director of the Health Regulation Department, Dr. Layla Al-Marzouqi, says in 2012, Dubai has welcomed 107,000 medical tourists and generated revenues of 652,700,000 dirhams. By 2016, they expect a 15% increase in the number of medical tourists, or 170,100 people, and revenues of over 1.8 billion dirhams. By 2020, they aim to see a 20% rise, which will bring the number of tourists to 500,000 and revenues of over 2 billion dirhams. With these goals, the organisers say a well-regulated health sector is vital to the organic growth of medical tourism.
There are topics that we liked to discuss, and these pertain particularly to the regulation of healthcare facilities, because it is the focal point of His Excellency Engineer Isa Al-Maithur to bring up the quality of services in the whole health sector. He also gives particular importance to the regulation of healthcare professions and healthcare professionals, and we are also going to talk about clinical complaints, how to manage them. We have vast experience in this respect, but we would like also to learn other experiences in this domain. And I will not forget to mention that there is a workshop going on for medical tourism, where the top partners in the industry are invited to this workshop, where they will give their aspect on investment in the healthcare in Dubai in the field of medical tourism, as well as topics like healthcare insurance and how it affects the vision of the medical tourism and how we can come up with various ideas to support the new initiative.
Dubai residents and visitors will now have fewer excuses for not using public transport with the launch of new weekly, monthly and annual Noel membership plans, which will offer up to 47% discounts on the commute. According to the RTA, the new fares will come into effect on the 11th of November in line with the launch of Dubai Tram operations. The new packages that are available on both gold and silver cards are in addition to the existing daily and monthly passes and will offer 47% discount on the daily fare for regular users, while 50% discounts for students, elderly and those dependent on social aid. As per the RTA statement, the new packages will be based on zones, with the first category offering package on travel within one zone, the second within two zones, while the third is for all zones within the Emirate. It was announced that the cost of the annual subscription on silver cards will be 1,060 dirhams for one zone, 1,770 dirhams for two zones and 2,670 dirhams for all zones. Subscription to the quarterly package will cost 330 dirhams for the first level, 550 dirhams for the second level and 830 dirhams for the third level. Subscription to the monthly package will cost 140 dirhams for level 1, 230 dirhams for level 2 and 350 dirhams for level 3. While subscription to the weekly package will cost 50 dirhams for level 1, 80 dirhams for level 2 and 110 dirhams for level 3. Additionally, commuters will be able to save money on the quarterly multi-zone package for silver cards priced at 830 dirhams. As per the new fare structure, the daily cap of 14 dirhams has also been increased to 20 dirhams per day. And finally, in the bulletin, Dubai Parks and Resorts LLC, a Miras holding company, today announced details of the region's debut Bollywood Parks in Dubai, a first-of-its-kind entertainment destination that will showcase the authentic Indian movie experience in an interactive format. Located in Jebel Ali, Bollywood Parks Dubai will cover a total of 3 million square feet. The destination will host 16 rides and attractions within 5 movie-themed areas featuring content developed in partnership with Mumbai's major film studios, Bollywood Film Studios, Mumbai Chowk, Hall of Heroes, Regal Plaza and Rustic Ravine. Each zone will capture the kaleidoscope of colour, emotion, music and visuals associated with Hindi films. The experience will kick off at the entrance to the theme park on Bollywood Boulevard, where an ongoing live entertainment fixture combining dance performances, character interactions and street theatre will keep guests energised and engaged. In addition to the themed zones, Bollywood Parks Dubai will offer a variety of retail outlets and themed restaurants, integrating vibrant elements that are quintessential Bollywood.